Click on the link below to get price. Today, we will explore the Automatic Computer Embroidery Machine, a versatile tool designed for both hobbyists and professional embroiderers. This machine, equipped with an LCD display and LED light, aims to simplify the embroidery process while delivering quality results. To begin with, the Automatic Computer Embroidery Machine stands out for its user-friendly design. The incorporation of an LCD display allows for clear navigation through its various functions and settings. This feature is particularly beneficial for users who may not be familiar with embroidery machines, as it provides a straightforward interface to select designs, adjust settings, and monitor progress. The LED light, on the other hand, enhances visibility, illuminating the workspace and ensuring that intricate details can be easily seen, especially during low-light conditions. One of the notable aspects of this machine is its range of built-in embroidery designs and font options. It typically includes multiple designs, allowing users to pick and choose based on their specific projects. Additionally, the machine often supports importing custom designs, which can be a major advantage for those looking to personalize their work. This flexibility is particularly appealing for users who wish to create unique pieces for personal use or for their business. In terms of functionality, the automatic threading feature is a significant time saver. It simplifies the setup process, meaning that users can spend less time dealing with technicalities and more time on their creative projects. The machine is designed to accommodate various thread types and fabric materials, making it suitable for a range of applications, from clothing embellishments to home decor items. Using the Automatic Computer Embroidery Machine is a straightforward process. After setting up the machine and selecting a design, users can initiate the embroidery process with the press of a button. The machine typically operates with minimal noise and vibration, allowing for a more enjoyable crafting experience. Those who choose to work on larger projects will appreciate the spacious embroidery area, which provides ample room for various fabric sizes. In conclusion, the Automatic Computer Embroidery Machine is a well-rounded option for anyone looking to enhance their embroidery skills. With features such as an intuitive LCD display, a bright LED light, and the ability to customize designs, this machine caters to both novice and experienced users alike. Its ease of use and versatile functionality may make it a valuable addition to your crafting toolkit.